Okay. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I am going to my parents' house just to eat and kind of say hi. They spent like 6 hours the other day building my entertainment system in my living room, and I thought that I needed to go over there and just kind of like say hi and hang out with them. My mom cooked, so we're gonna eat and I'm very excited. I want to do my makeup with you guys, and yes, that is what I want to do. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on in. I do have some, excuse me, I do have some new products that I want to play around with today and show you guys. This being one of them from Sigma, super excited. This from Dose of Colors, and a couple of things from M Cosmetics. The M Cosmetics things aren't like new, but they're new to me because I haven't used them yet. So Kiva's got her other little sweater on, the one that looks like a fox. It's really, really cute. I put it on her this morning just to kind of see what she thought about it. Or not this morning, last night, to see what she thought about it. And I think she likes it. Right now, I just think she's trying to find food. I swear, she tries to find food in literally everything. And I don't eat in my bed, so like there is like literally no way there's gonna be food in here. I don't know, she just tries to find food in everything. It acts like she never gets fed, which is absurd because I actually probably feed her a little bit too much because I'm afraid, because she's so little, I'm afraid that if I don't, well, I guess it doesn't really make sense because little dogs eat less, you know, biologically, but like I'm still afraid that I'm not giving her enough because she is little and she has a super high metabolism, like a fast metabolism. So I'm afraid that I'm not feeding her enough, so I end up feeding her maybe a little more than I probably should. But she acts like she never gets fed. She literally acts like it is a miracle if she finds food. I don't understand it. This is the newest Sigma Cor-de-Rosa palette, and it is absolutely beautiful. I actually missed out on the Sigma online sale because I wasn't sure if I was going to pick this up or not, but then I saw it on Instagram and I thought it was beautiful, but it was sold out on Sigma's website, so I got it on Amazon. But don't worry, it actually was on the listing. It actually did say sold by Sigma, so it's not like a fake or anything like that, but it's really, really pretty. I'm really obsessed with it. And then here's what the inside looks like. I've only used one other Sigma palette, and that is the Enchanted palette, and I really, really liked it a lot. Ooh, this brush that comes with it is actually super nice. Oh, look, this is not real, but now that I look at it, it's actually super crooked. I got one of those like ink box thingies. I didn't realize that it was this crooked. I wanted it to be straight like that, but it says always, and it's from Harry Potter, what Snape says. I love that quote so much. So, well, it's not really a quote, it's one word, but I love that part in Harry Potter. I love that scene more than anything. And when Harry goes to the pensieve and he puts in Snape's tear, and then he sees like all of Snape, what he's been hiding, and I'm just like So I kind of wanted to do kind of like a monochromatic brown look today because a couple of things that I have are brown. I don't know, I thought it would be really, really fun. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to go in first with this shade right here called Medallion, like a big fluffy brush. I need one of those, and I need my you know, color switch. Sigma shadows are really, really pretty in my opinion. I really like them a lot. I haven't really used very many of them though, you know. I've only used the Enchanted palette, but that one was really nice. It was really, really beautiful. But this one right here seems to be blending out already super nicely. Like, wow. Wowee. That's all I'm gonna do for that crease. That blended out in like 5 seconds. That's nuts. So I'm not gonna stay on this topic for very long at all because I know that no one wants to talk about it. But quarantine is supposed to be ending on May 1st, and oh man, I really hope that it does end. Like, I really hope. I know a lot of places have actually started going back to work already, which is really great. You know, I just hope that it's, so, okay. Obviously, I hope that it ends, but I hope it ends when it's supposed to, you know? Like, I'm not trying to rush it or anything like that because I don't want people to start going back to work and start, you know, living their lives normally, but it not be the right time and then the whole, like, relapse just happens or anything like that. But then again, you know, just for me and just for, I think, a lot of people, I just want to go outside. But obviously, I want it to be the correct time. And I'm not going to do my entire look with this palette because I am using a couple of other shades, but I am gonna go in with one more shade that is called Barefoot right here. Wait, right? No, Bare Root. I can read. Yeah, Bare Root right here is that deep brown shade, and then I am going to just kind of darken up the outer corner a little bit. Oh, this shade's a lot lighter than I thought. I thought that it was going to be like super pigmented. I mean, it's not very pigmented. This one's a little bit more sheer. It is pretty though, and it is going on well and like blending well, but I thought this one was going to be a little more pigmented because of that first shade. You know, the first shade was super pigmented, but this one is not. It's a little more buildable, which I guess could have been pretty much a good thing because I didn't want to do, that's all I'm gonna do. So if it was super duper pigmented, maybe it would have been a little too heavy. So that's all we're going to use for the Sigma palette right now. I will do other looks with this using the entire palette, but I do want to play around with a couple of products for you guys today. So that's why I'm kind of skipping back and forth between things. For my lid, I want to go into this. Kathleen said that this single shadow from Dose of Colors was absolutely beautiful, so I want to try it myself. This dude is 20 bucks. Like, wow, that's a lot for one shadow. I have already swatched it, but I haven't like put it on my eyes or anything, but it looks beautiful. Holy cow, and the swatch was stunning, like stunning. So I am gonna put this on. Oh, that's so nice. Yes, 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 I love it. Oh, I love that so much. I'm gonna take a tiny bit on a brush here. Well, no, I'm not. That's gonna mess it up. I like that a lot. Other eye. Shoot, I knew Kathleen wouldn't steer me wrong. That's stunning, I love that. Very, ooh, who's texting me? Oh, he's my boyfriend. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. By the way, this is in the shade Encore. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. And this was really, really easy to do. Like, literally just, you can use whatever shades that you want. You don't have to use a Sigma palette. You can use whatever you have. Just pop a transition shade, maybe deepen out the crease if you want to. You don't even have to. And then just pop this on the lid. You're done. It's stunning. I love it. Okay, so to continue, I am going to start on my face. That's all I'm going to do for the eyes for right now. Starting on the face, we're going very dewy. I got your feetsies. Yes, I got your feetsies. Oh, you're so cute. Here you go. I'm gonna use this Glossier Futuredew as primer today. This is actually, well, it is still new to me, but this is not like a first impressions on this. I have used this before and I really like it. I like it a lot. It makes everything like so dewy and it looks super nice. Like, it makes your skin look so dewy, so shiny, and I love it. Speaking of dew, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer today. I think Starbucks is reopened again. Wow, I look like a ghost in the monitor. So on my way to my parents' house, I may have to go by Starbucks and grab something because I haven't been to Okay, listen, I don't need to go to Starbucks because I have a dang espresso machine that I'm obsessed with and I love it so, so much. But, I don't know, I really just like the idea of going to Starbucks sometimes. I don't know. Also, there is this actual like cafe, like a barista cafe, super close to me and I had no idea. I had no clue that there was one that close and I can't wait to go to it. I hope it's gonna be open soon. And I also hope it didn't go out of business because I know a lot of companies sadly did have to go out of business because of this situation and, you know, losing so much money, and I know that is so sad and my heart goes out to any companies that has happened to. And now a little bit of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer. Now that I got that new like vlogging camera, that new smaller camera, I like really want to vlog a lot more. If you didn't see, I did like an Easter vlog, like a how was my Easter quarantine vlog kind of thing. It was really fun. I'll have it up here. if you want to watch that, but it was really fun. Okay, and then I really love this Pat McGrath powder. So I am using that only underneath my eyes because it is freaking white. So I only use that underneath my eyes to set them. So who's ready for summer? I am. I am very ready for summer. I love summer like so much. I think like I don't know what it is. I don't know what's happened to me. I used to be such a winter person. Like when I was younger. I'm acting like I'm old. I'm not. I'm like 26. But I will say I have changed a lot since like 18 to 24, something like that. I've changed a lot. My tastes have changed. My hobbies have changed. Just in like some parts of me, like me loving video games and like anime, I'm always going to love those kinds of things, and it's like one of my favorite things. I'm very passionate about them. Other things that I used to be obsessed with, I'm just like not anymore. And winter's one of them. I used to be like such a winter, and I'm not anymore. Now I'm like a full-on like hot girl summer. I love summer. Now I'm just like, yeah, the hotter the better, just like burn me. I don't know. It's very weird. So I'm super ready for summer. I'm trying out one of M Cosmetics little blushes. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to use this, if I'm being totally honest.
That's very bright.
It'll die down though, I'm sure. Wow, I see why people love these so much. This is beautiful. Holy crap.
Wowie!
I don't know why I always say that. This is really beautiful. It looks kind of like splotchy on camera, but I pinky swear it does not look like that in person. Why am I talking so high? It doesn't look like that in person. It looks really pretty in person. Like, wow, I love that. It's in the shade Soft Amethyst. Michelle's birthday was a few days ago, and she released a kind of like a birthday set, and it had this, a liner and a lip cushion, and then it also had this cute little like boba tea light. Let me show it to you. It's so freaking cute. I don't have any batteries right now, but here's what it looks like. It's a little boba tea light, and then there's like little boba pieces in there, so when the light turns on you can see it. It's so cute. This looks very red on camera, but like in person it does not look that red, and I don't know why it looks so red on camera. Maybe I'll just like cover up a tiny bit. Maybe that's better. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. It's so cute. It's by the brand, let me see if I can find the brand. Smoko, S-M-O-K-O. Look! So she like did a collab with Smoko and added this little tea light to her birthday collection. It was so cute. When I go to my parents' house, I have to get some batteries because I definitely want to use that. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick off camera, and then I will come right back to you. Okay, my brows are done, and now I am going to, so I do want to try this, but I don't know if I want to do it today because I really love the way these eyes look. Maybe I'll try a little bit and kind of see. This is another M Cosmetics product. This is her liquid eyeliner that came in her little birthday set, but it's in brown because I wanted to do kind of like a monochromatic brown look, so maybe I'll try a little. I'm sorry if you can't see what I'm doing. I'm like really bad at doing eyeliner. Oh, that's really cute. I like it. I wanted to do kind of like more like a baby wing situation. I didn't want to do like a crazy wing or anything. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, well that one kind of got messed up. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna be able to do two wings and make them look even remotely similar, because they don't. They look absolutely stupid. Hopefully when I put on mascara you won't be able to notice that. Moving on, I am gonna use this from Artist Couture on my inner corners. It is their Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love those Diamond Glow powders. I'm gonna do some mascara, and I'm trying this one out right now. I'm trying this one out today from Wonder Beauty. It's the Mile High Club Mascara, and I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm excited. So this is not my favorite. Like, I don't hate it or anything, but like I do think I have other mascaras that do a whole lot better. Like even the Fenty one I feel like does a little bit better than this one, and then the Anastasia one definitely. This one's not terrible, but it's not my favorite. I wasn't going to wear lashes today, but I don't think this gives my lashes enough volume, so I'm probably going to. It's like the formula is very wet, and I normally like wet formulas. Like the toothpaste one is pretty wet. Like, this looks like it honestly did nothing. Okay, so I need to let this dry because now I definitely have to put lashes on, and I need to get this off. Okay dokie, so I put my lashes on, and then I put some bottom mascara on, and then I went back in, well, I put my lashes on, then I went back into the Cor-de-Rosa palette, and I went back into the shades Medallion and Bare Root. So these two, and then I just ran them under my bottom lash line, and then I put some mascara on the bottoms as well. And you guys, this is almost the look. I'm going to add a tiny bit of highlight. I'm going to use the Becca Champagne Pop Highlight. You guys, I'm literally so excited for my Sephora stuff to get in here. If you, get here. If you didn't know, the Sephora sale, the 20% off, is happening right now. So if you're an insider, you get 10%. If you're VIB, you get 15%. And if you're a Rouge member, you get 20% off. So I'm super excited. I'm a Rouge member, so I am so excited I was able to stock up on some things that I was running out of, and I'm able to try. I can't talk. I haven't eaten yet today. I'm hungry, and I'm waiting to go to my parents' house so I can eat my mom's like this like chicken spectacular. It's so good. So I really want to be hungry to eat that. I am going to use this lip cushion in Magic Hour by M Cosmetics. I have to see what color it turns out being, because if it's too light, then I will use something else. Yeah, it's a little too light. I love these lip cushions though, but I think it's a little too light for the look we have going on right now. So I'm gonna go grab something else real quick. I'm gonna go into this Luxe lipstick in the shade Room Service. Not light, I mean like, not like a full-on liquid lip. And there we go. Super simple, very easy. I like it a lot. Wow, I really do. I think this look is so pretty. I'm like kind of obsessed with it. I think it's nice. I really like it a lot. I love the kind of like monochromatic brown eye, and then I kind of, you know, like royally messed up that liner, but it's fine. You can't see it with these lashes anyways. That's what I tell myself. But yeah, you guys, this is the look today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. I really love this palette from Sigma. I know I only use 2 shades, but I will do more looks using this palette because I do want to play around with these kind of like berry tones. And then I, of course, love that Dose of Colors single. The only thing that I didn't like that I tried today was the Wonder Beauty mascara. It just wasn't my favorite. I don't know what happened, because I thought that I was gonna go into loving this because I've heard a lot of good things about it. So not for me, but maybe I'll give it to my mom and maybe she'll like it. She uses kind of light mascara anyways, like she doesn't use a lot. But other than that, I loved everything else, and yeah, this is the look. I really hope that you did enjoy the video, you guys. And if you did enjoy the video, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!